The 1937 Cadillac Hartmann Roadster stands as one of the most extravagant and unique vehicles ever built. Ordered in late 1936 by Philippe Barraud, a wealthy Swiss playboy from Lausanne, the vehicle was designed to be the biggest and most luxurious car of its time. Barraud commissioned the Cadillac chassis, a 90 series model with a 452 cubic inch V16 engine producing 185 horsepower, through Edelweiss Garage in Switzerland. Cadillac supplied only the bare chassis, as was common at the time. The custom bodywork was entrusted to Willy Hartmann, a Swiss coach builder in Lausanne. Hartmann crafted an extravagant 22-foot-long cabriolet body, making the car one of the most extreme and flamboyant open-top vehicles of its era. Barraud oversaw the construction personally to ensure the car matched his grand vision. After enjoying the Cadillac for a decade, Barraud stored the vehicle during World War II. It remained inactive for years before being revived and repainted pale blue. Following a front-end collision, the car was refinished again, this time in a two-tone brown, and upgraded with full-width bumpers and new bullet-style headlights. By the mid-1960s, the Cadillac was abandoned and left in a field near Geneva. It was rediscovered in 1968, 31 years after its creation, and bought in 1969 by Jean-Jacques Bellet of Lausanne for 4,000 Swiss francs, about $925 at the time. Over the following decades, the car changed hands 10 times and underwent 4 restorations, the latest between 2017 and 2018. In the early 2000s, it entered the Black Hawk Museum in Danville, California, before being acquired by its current owner, Jim Patterson, a renowned American car collector and entrepreneur from Louisville, Kentucky. Patterson initiated a full, historically accurate restoration, enlisting RM Auto Restoration of Canada. Research included sourcing original General Motors build sheets and consulting individuals who had seen the car in its early United States days. Now fully restored, the Cadillac is poised to debut at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, an event often considered the pinnacle of automotive exhibitions. Its immense size, powerful V16 engine, and uniquely Swiss coachwork continue to captivate car enthusiasts around the world.